To run the pump test, navigate to the Settings screen and then tap the System section. Select the Pump Test button to access the Pump Performance Test window. This test measures the pump's output pressure and logs the data. Select Start Test and enter the serial number of the test load when prompted. Follow the steps on screen to connect the test load. When the test is complete, the Store Pressure button will appear. Select this to store the data in the historical pressure data log. After the data has been stored, you can select the X in the upper right corner. Remember to disconnect the test load and reattach the pump filter after running the test. If you see a significant drop in pressure of 30% or greater since your last performed test or within the last 6 months, it could indicate that there is a loss of system performance and should be further investigated. Contact technical support. Be prepared to provide information contained in the log sheet to technical support at the time of contact.